In a world where we have to fight to find out how much some FBOs are going to charge us just to show up, one place is miles from the norm.
A lot of people that, if they haven't been here, will explain to them what Jack's Aces is, and they're like, what? Okay, we want to go check this out.
And who wouldn't? Jack's Aces is a pilot's lounge to beat them all.
We serve food 7 days a week over here. Everything is home-cooked meals.
Gulf Air Center General Manager Shonda Henderson says it's all about Southern hospitality, and with that comes great Southern cooking.
And when a pilot walks in the mornings, we have breakfast as far as bacon and eggs and biscuits, all the good Southern stuff.
Boy, howdy.
And if a home-cooked meal isn't what you're after, the porch here at Jack's Aces isn't too bad for sitting and just airplane watching. A King Air just pulled in. Just before that, a Black Hawk and some T-6 Texan 2s.
Many of those military aircraft crews stop in, as shown by the patch collection on the wall.
It's a good place to come and hang out and do briefing if they want.
And if not, there's even a PlayStation to kill some time in a historic building.
This used to be the old terminal building years and years and years ago. We expanded and got the new terminal building. And so Jack's Aces was just a shack that was just kind of hanging out. Nobody was using it.
And now people use it to hang out. From the porch at Jack's Aces in Gulf Shores, Alabama, Paul Harrop, AOPA Live.